positions here. Group 2. Meguro Kinan. Last year's winner, Muscatel, is out in gate 15. Produced last year. 130,000 plus. They're set. And away they step in the last. Pretty even dispatch. Nothing really jumped out. Lovers Boucher a little slow away. Cosmo Robin as well. The jockey on Lovers Boucher electing to switch across towards the rail. They come past this crowd. The winning post the first time. On the inside, it's Grande Subaru. Shows out from Applejack, and Lovely Day in the middle. Kicking up his Stellar Wind. Out wide Awardee. Then comes Admire Blue, followed by Oscar Kudichan. Promontorio kicking up his Lovers Boucher. Gap back to Muscatel. About 5 lengths away, Minor Medalist. Up on its inside is kicking up there is Awardee. A gap to Smart Gear. Well back Simon Tunare. Ike Dragon is the second last. And last of all is Cosmo Robin. They go past the 1800 metre pole. Out in front is Grande Subaru. Leads out from Lovely Day. Stellar Wind defence. And trapped out a little wide, trying to go on, is Applejack. In behind Applejack is Admire Blue. Then comes Promontorio, Oscar Kudichan. Tamamo Best Play is midfield with Muscatel just in behind her, behind it. Followed by Lovers Boucher. A gap back to Awardee, travelling nicely along the paint. Outside is Minor Medalist. Then Smart Gear, which seems to be travelling a little ungenerously. A gap to Simon Tunare. Cosmo Robin starting to take off. And Ike Dragon past the 1200 metres is last now. This field of 16 runners in the Meguro Group 2, Meguro Kinan, and it's no change up front. It's Grande Subaru, leads out from Lovely Day. Trapped out wide, but still going on is Applejack. The fence is Stellar Wind, has had a nice trip. And in behind them is Admire Blue. Oscar Kudichan a little closer. Promontorio, followed by Tamamo Best Play. Then comes Muscatel, Lovers Boucher. Minor Medalist in between runners. Cosmo Robin has picked up ground. Losing ground, the fence is Awardee. Ike Dragon goes past it. Simon Tunare. And Smart Gear is still last. They swing for home with almost 500 metres to run. They're starting to compact as Lovely Day finds the front, goes past Grande Subaru. Muscatel is starting to run on with Minor Medalist, and Cosmo Robin whacks away, and kicking up along the fence is Stellar Wind. It's Lovely Day. Stellar Wind might with a danger along the fence. Muscatel runs on with Minor Medalist. It's still Lovely Day. Stellar Wind, and late on the scene is Lovers Boucher. Out wide Minor Medalist. Minor Medalist, and through the middle is Tamamo Best Play. Minor Medalist, Awardee, and Lovers Boucher. Lovers Boucher, Minor Medalist. Oh, I don't know. Minor Medalist, Lovers Boucher, Awardee, and one in the middle was Promontorio. That absolutely flew home.